It was a busy but great work year. We are truly blessed with work and some of the best business associates to organize training ever.
We've been home since the 18th of December, getting ready for Christmas with the family and repairing water pipes that are not used to 8-degree temps in Georgia. Water's now on, but still some line repairs to be done. And we'll probably do those when it warms up a bit.
It seems since COVID shut down, everyone has tried to catch up. There has been a large turnover in workers of chainsaw operations in the U.S.
Laura and I had 1,970 participants in programs this year. 1,252 were in hands-on days and 718 in demonstrations. This is quite different from the past. More hands-on, smaller workshop days than larger groups. This indicates more emphasis on training instead of watching a presentation. We had 220 work days in 2022 with 176 nights out on the road. The YouTube channel at Forest Apps has reached 2,018 subscribers as of this recording. The channel emphasis has been on chainsaw operations and safety techniques, mostly at actual training workshops. It's great review for participants, and it's great to see so many different trees and participants working towards a better understanding of chainsaw applications.
We have a very full calendar for 2023 already, East Coast to West Coast this year. We head out along the Forest Apps Road January the 9th for 3 workshops in Georgia, and then RV rolls nonstop until spring. Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and then we are driving out to the West Coast 3 weeks, San Diego, San Luis Obispo, and Gilroy, California. We have been working on our virtual video training opportunity for organizers who want to introduce our training to their employees, but we're unable to book live days right now.
The entire Day 1 program we have is available on video through our Google Drive. I don't think it is as personable, so to speak, but is actual until a future live workshop can be scheduled. All the same stories and video shots to cover the topics for your chainsaw operations. There's also a checkup quiz and answer video to check retention of the viewing. We can also set up a live chat or call to discuss any questions after the viewing.
The cost of the virtual is flexible. It is available by individual seats or for group showing. It's about 3.5 hours total with chapter topic markers and is set up with breaks at about 35-minute intervals. It can be viewed on large screen or on your mobile phone.
3.5 hours of lecture and demonstration, chainsaw operations explained at your own level, personal protective equipment, sharpening, maintenance, reactive forces, planning for felling and falling trees, and planning for horizontal and hung storm damaged trees. Practical video to show techniques and applications.
1 seat view is $250. 5 to 10 seats is $200 each. 10 plus seats is $175 each. A seat or a group can be purchased by credit card or invoice.
To view a seat or group, a viewing window will be established and a link will be sent. The link is then accessed through Google and streamed to your phone, computer, or TV projector.
Also, as part of the virtual, we added in the wood video instruction. It does a great job of giving the new and experienced chainsaw operator needed information for safety and production. I think you will find it to be high quality. Day 1 chainsaw demonstration class is now available virtually. You will purchase X amount of seats. Once determined seats are decided, we will send you a link for the virtual class. Show in a classroom format or individually. The link will be live for a set amount of days that we determine once scheduled. At the end of this class, there is a test questionnaire administered and sent back to us. We will be able to keep track of who's taken the class for future hands-on. With our schedule being booked solid Our virtual day will allow you to hold your training for 2023. Call 770-543-9862 or email Laura at forestapps.com to discuss and set up your virtual seats.
You can contact the office or email info@forestapps.com for special requests or questions. This is Tim Hart
And Laura,
wishing you good sawing. We'll
we'll
see
see
you
you along the Forest Apps
Road.
route.